In the dynamic landscape of entrepreneurship, establishing a limited liability company, or LLC, is a popular choice for its flexibility, liability protection, and tax advantages. Yet, amidst the excitement of launching a new venture, it's easy to overlook the importance of creating an LLC operating agreement. An LLC operating agreement is not merely a formality. It's a foundational document that sets the framework for how your business will function. At its core, the operating agreement governs the relationships among LLC owners, outlining key aspects such as decision-making powers, member contributions, ownership percentages, profit distribution, voting rights, dispute resolution, and even procedures for LLC dissolution. While some might question whether an LLC needs an operating agreement, the answer is nuanced. Legally, only a handful of states, California, Delaware, Maine, Missouri, and New York, require it. However, regardless of legal requirements, having an operating agreement in place offers numerous benefits and is especially critical when the business has more than one owner. Without one, your business would be subject to default state statutes, which may not fully align with your business's unique needs and could lead to potential conflicts down the road. So, what exactly should be included in an LLC operating agreement? Let's delve deeper into its components. Company details. This section provides a snapshot of your LLC, including its legal name, address, and the name and address of the registered agent. Additionally, it may include a brief overview of your business's purpose, industry, and nature. This section also includes the management structure and defines whether the LLC will be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Member information. Here, you'll outline the rights, obligations, and contributions of each member. This includes specifying member contributions and ownership allocations, detailing voting and approval rights, and defining compensation structures. Accounting practices. Your operating agreement should establish fiscal parameters, such as the fiscal year your business will use and the chosen accounting method. For example, cash basis or accrual accounting. It should also provide guidelines for profit distribution, which can be merit or contribution based. Operational procedures. This section covers the day-to-day operations of your LLC, including procedures for adding or removing members, protocols for conducting meetings, and voting. It also provides the rules for LLC dissolution, should that be required at some point. Additional provisions. Finally, you may include any special provisions or arrangements unique to your business. This could include dispute resolution processes, provisions in case of a member's death, or conflict of interest policies. Creating an LLC operating agreement isn't just about meeting legal requirements. It's about safeguarding your business's interests and ensuring clarity and harmony among stakeholders. While there are various resources available, including online templates and legal services, it's essential to tailor your operating agreement to your business's specific needs and circumstances. Now, whether you're embarking on a new entrepreneurial journey or formalizing an existing LLC, don't underestimate the significance of an operating agreement. It's not just a document, it's your roadmap to navigating the complexities of business ownership and achieving sustainable success in the competitive marketplace. For a more detailed overview, head over to the article in the description below, and don't forget to visit SimplifyLLC.com for more business-related insights. And as always, if you found the video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for upcoming videos. See you next time.